So I'm with Hal, homeowner in North Austin. And Hal, we did your windows and doors, what,
4 years ago.
4 years ago?
4 years ago.
And tell me what is it that you like best about?
Well, they're well crafted. In 4 years, I've had minimal issues. I've had actually one issue, which you came today and fixed in about 30 seconds. And I appreciate it so much. But the Choice Windows is, I think, a first-class operation. What I appreciated most was the installer. He was really, in my mind, a craftsman. When he took out the old door and put in this beautiful new door, I thought, oh my God, what a mess it's going to be. And in fact, when he finished and caulked, you couldn't even tell that there was this gaping hole from the old door. But this is a door that's incredibly well made at the factory and well installed by Choice. And I appreciate you guys so much.
Well, thank you, Hal. Appreciate the comments.